Hello guys, welcome to my channel RK Tutorials. If anyone please is not subscribed, please subscribe my channel and go through the previous classes as well. So we are in the 16th class now. Let us solve one more problem. So look at the question. A 5 amps 2.2 seconds overcurrent relay is connected through a supply circuit through a 400 by 5 CT. So this is the rating of the CT. The relay is set at 50%. This is the 50% is the setting of the relay, and TSM time setting multiplier is 0.5. 0.5 in the sense it is the relay contact is about 50% distance to the trip circuit. If fault current is 1000 amperes, so here is the fault current given. Calculating the operating time of relay, the relay characteristics are as follows. So he's asking to calculate the operating time. So let us look at the solution. So operating time is in relation with TSM. So what is the formula for TSM? TSM is nothing but it is the actual time of operation. Actual time of operation over time of operation specified by the manufacturer at a TSM, at a PSM, plug setting multiplier, for a given plug setting multiplier. For different plug setting multipliers, the TSM value will be different, so that the actual time of operation gets different. So here he is asking to calculate this time of operation, actual time of operation. This is operating time. So we have to know the time of manufacturer. So these are the time of manufacturer given. So if you see here PSM, so in order to calculate the time of operation specified by the, in order to get the time of operation specified by the manufacturer, we have to calculate the PSM first. At what PSM this is being operated. So let us calculate PSM. What is the formula for PSM? It is the fault current on primary over CT ratio multiplied by relay pickup value. This is what is the formula. So fault current is given here, that is 1000 amperes. Let us write directly 1000 ampere over CT ratio is given here 400 by 5. So 400 by 5 multiplied by relay pickup value. So we didn't get any relay pickup value here, but we have a formula for relay pickup value. I have been repeating that relay pickup value is also called as pickup current or the plug setting also. All are same. So don't get confused in the exam if it is given differently. So what is the formula for relay pickup current? Relay pickup value. It is a multiplication of the ratio, the percentage of relay setting multiplied by rating of relay. Since here the relay setting is given, that is 50%. So 50 by 100 multiplied by, what is the rating of the relay? Rating of the relay is not mentioned anywhere. So simply we have to take the CT secondary as a rating of the relay, because to the CT secondary only the relay coil is connected. So 5. So if you go for the simple arithmetics, you will get 50 times 2 times. So here 2 zeros gets cancelled, goes on top. So 2 times. So you are going to get 5. The PSM as 5. So go to the PSM. Where the PSM 5? So here is the PSM 5. So what is the time of operation specified by the manufacturer at that time? That is at that PSM 1.4 seconds. So from here the time of operation, actual time of operation, can be TSM multiplied by time of operation specified by the manufacturer at PSM. Manufacturer at PSM. So that is TSM is given, that is 0.5 multiplied by what is the time of operation specified by the manufacturer? 1.4. So if you do the calculation, this is 0.5 and 1.4 multiplied by that is 70 cents. You will get 0.7. 0.7 seconds is the time of operation. This is the actual time of operation. I hope you understood. If it is congested, try to uh, get a clear view. Thank you very much. Signing off.